everyone, I'm Priyanka from Intrazo. We are at Prestige Lakeside Habitat and my client name is Mr. Zubin and Mrs. Pallavi Mahajan. Basically this is a 3 BHK apartment. So our client wants contemporary and modern design. So keeping that thing in the mind, our designer has suggested to have a grey and golden color combination for full house, where they doesn't want any wooden color or any white color. Along with that, we have used bronze mirror also. So in foyer unit, we have designed foyer mini tall unit and sitting unit with the color combination of grey, and we have used rose gold T profile with PVD legs on top of that and with laminate finish ledge. As a wall decor, we have used wall paneling of brown mirror and laminate finish. In living area, we have designed TV unit where we have provided TV base unit and TV wall panel. In wall panel, we have used rose gold T profile. Next to that, we have given wall paneling. In that, again we have used rose gold T profile, and backside we have given cove light and we have used wallpaper. In wall decor, we have used bidding design and we have given false ceiling with cove lights. In foyer unit, we have used profile light as well. In dining area, we have designed crockery unit with base unit and wall unit. For base unit, we have used quartz countertop from Kalinga. In wall unit, we have used rose gold aluminum frame. Along with that, we have used bevel mirror. In puja unit, we have designed CNC doors. Inside that, we have given a base unit and shelves and one spotlight. For kitchen, we have given entrance paneling with wooden finish and with 2 spotlight. In kitchen, we have used grey and black color combination of acrylic matte finish. In tall unit, we have given storage with provision of microwave and 2 wicker basket. Next to that, we have given pantry unit with Blum tandem box, which gives a weight capacity up to 30 kg each with wooden front. We have designed L-shaped kitchen with base unit, wall unit and loft. In wall unit, we have used normal openable shutters. Next to that, we have used Blum Aventus HKS and with hydraulic pump on both the side of chimney. For base unit, we have given normal openable shutters. Next to that, for corner unit, we have given normal shelves and door. Next to that, we have given Blum tandem box which gives you weight capacity up to 30 kg. And then for cylinder space, we have given openable shutters and we have used under sink RO. Countertop, we have used quartz from Kalinga, and dado we have given tiles, and appliances, that is hob and chimney, and dishwasher is from Haflin. In kids' bedroom, we have carried forward the theme of contemporary and modern design with the help of two color combination, that is of purple and blue with golden touch. In wardrobe, we have given an openable wardrobe with golden handles and golden PVD profile. We have designed queen size cot with cushioning in headboard, which is from D Decor. Along with that, we have used floral wallpaper from D Decor. Next to cot, we have designed dressing unit with drawers. Along with that, we have given beading design on the wall, which is going till ceiling. We have designed hut-shaped study wall unit and tall unit with study base unit. On that, we have given lacquered glass writing board. In guest bedroom, we have used beading design as a wall decor. Between that, we have given a mirror. There is a reason behind this mirror, because my client is having daughter, so she likes dancing, so she wants a big mirror and with a bigger space in the room. That's why we have given a folding cot also, and both the side we have given openable wardrobe along with big profile handles, and we have used black T profile. Next to wardrobe, we have designed a sitting unit with drawers. We have designed study base unit and wall unit, and we have used profile lights. Basically, for this room, we have used color combination of grey and black. In master bedroom, we have used as a wall decor of wall paneling, that is combination of laminate and bronze mirror in vertical pattern. Similar way, we have used in floor to ceiling aristo wardrobe, that is of brown mirror. We have designed king size bed with two side table and with headboard. In headboard, we have used fabric from D Decor. And in dresser, we have given a drawer along with the mirror, and both the side of the mirror we have used profile lights. We have designed false ceiling by using cove lights and lights. Let me introduce to our designer Ms. Pravashni Sahu and our client to share their experience with us.
Hi, I am Zubin.
And I'm Pallavi, and she's our designer, Pravasini.
So when we started our journey, we had three things in mind. One, we wanted to avoid plain white and wooden finish. Second, we wanted to go for a subtle look and subtle feel for our house. And third, we did not want to be too loud. So that's when we started looking out for interior companies, and we had an interaction with Interazzo. had a very good and very fruitful first meeting with them, and we were convinced with them in the first meeting itself. So then we decided to go ahead with them.
And earlier we saw lots of videos before reaching out to them. So among all the videos from all the interior designers, we liked the interior the best.
And after the finishing, we can say only two things. One, the outcome is even better than the 3D designs that we had received earlier. And secondly, they do know the technical know-how of the interior designing.
Plus, they are very flexible with our demands and whatever changes we wanted to make.
So, in all, we would highly recommend Intrazo if you are looking for an interior designer for your company,
Yeah, and Pravasini is just like my friend.
Special thanks to Mr. and Mrs. Jubin, and it was a pleasant experience to working on this project for you, and I'm really glad you liked that. They are always ready to listen to the designer, and they are always giving the space to the designer so that you can see the house, like how beautiful is it. Really nice to working with you.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching our video. We'll see you again with our new project from Intrazo, A Cut Above.